Hey guys, we are installing a light for post fixture. Right here. We got the old one out. It's pretty much straightforward. I mean, just make sure there is no juice coming through. We checked it with the multimeter. So with the multimeter, what you do is put it on 200 on the ohm, and then put negative on the black one, positive on the red one, on the light post, and see if it has a reading. If it has a reading, that means it's pulling the juice. Find the switch to turn it off, and run it again, and if you don't read nothing, that means you got it off. And then once you have it off, you just connect black to black, white to white, and the ground to green. And there you go.